Sushi originated in Japan and has a long history that dates back to at least the 8th century. The original form of sushi, known as narazushi, was made by fermenting rice with salt and fish, and then preserving it with fermented rice. This early style of sushi was consumed as a way to preserve fish in rice for several months. Over time, the preparation of sushi evolved, and during the Edo period, 17th to 19th centuries, a new method called haya-zushi emerged. This involved using vinegar-seasoned rice and fresh fish, allowing for a quicker preparation and consumption. The use of vinegared rice is a key characteristic of modern sushi. In the 19th century, Edo, now Tokyo, became a major culinary center for sushi. Haniya Yohei, a sushi chef in Tokyo, is credited with popularizing nigiri-zushi, the hand-pressed sushi with a small piece of fish on top of a small bed of rice. This style of sushi is more similar to what many people recognize as sushi today. In the late 20th century, sushi gained international popularity, and various types and styles of sushi have been developed worldwide, adapting to local tastes and ingredients. Traditional Japanese sushi typically features ingredients like raw or marinated fish, seaweed, and vinegared rice, while international variations may include ingredients like avocado, cream cheese, or cooked seafood.